How to use TikTok duet feature to collaborate with other creators. Hi guys, welcome. So first of all, let's start by opening our TikTok application, and here you have to simply search for any kind of trend which is related to duet. So simply search for hashtag duet. So once you have searched for it, you have to simply select any of these videos. So once you have select this, to create your own reaction on this video, you have to click on the share and simply go for the duet. So only those videos on which the owner has enabled the duet effect, you can do that. Otherwise you can do the duet effect on any video. So let me show you how to do it. So simply create a simple video, go for next. So right now once you are here, you have to go for the more options and simply click on this allow duet. So right now my video is just 2 seconds, so I can't enable this. So you just have to click on this allow duet and other creators will be able to make a duet on your video. So that's how basically you can use TikTok duet feature to collaborate with other creators.